Hello, welcome back. Last video we have done the chapter 4.10.4 for this pizza.owl with exercise 19 to analyze the prop class to use for do the testing about the reasoner. As mentioned, this exercise we add our prop the class, and in the end is we delete that after testing. So compared to this action, there's no change to the left model. So if you check in the this repository in my GitHub site, is you can see the snapshot. The model file is still the exercise 18. So if you're moving on to the further the exercise, we don't have our snapshot for exercise 19. So you can just use 18 still as the snapshot. And for today, we will move to the chapter 4.11 to analyze primitive and define the class to understand the difference between them. These two class definition is quite important. So I put our the simple comparison. So if you have these two type of the classes, is depending on the restriction, or we call this condition. So primitive classes have the necessary restriction or necessary condition, but if you have a defined class, so I'm putting this something wrong. So like this way. Defined class has both necessary and sufficient restriction. So that is the major difference for these two class. There are two exercises under this chapter. So for this video, we do this exercise 20. We will create our class called CheesyPizza as the preparation. And the next video, we will convert this from the default primitive class to the defined class. So that is the way we can start to see or feel the difference through the reasoner. So let's do this the exercise 20. The CheesyPizza is one of the subclass of the pizza. So first is back to the classes tab. Let's make our selection to the pizza, and then add our subclass. So call this CheesyPizza. So now we have named pizza and we have CheesyPizza. Named pizza, we have 4 named pizza created before. And then select the CheesyPizza, and in this description, the section or the area, we click. Let's do this synchronize reasoner as our the hobby. So and now is they have get some the inherit from the upper the parent class, and let's do this CheesyPizza add our sub class, and then this select the class expression. So we will use this one and do this has copying. So you know you can use the control space for this the control space. Then is auto add those rest of the things. Actually, is another the shortcut is hotkey is the tab. If you click tab in Windows, the Protege is give the same thing. So has topping, some cheese. So if you click now is click the tab or control space. is mentioned like this part is when we have this CHEE, then click the control space. We already have two the classes starting from CHEE for characters. So that is give you the selection by Protege. We will select this topping, not myself itself. So double click. Now you have this has topping some cheese topping. So that is what we want is then click OK. Is putting like this 4.20 figure, 21st figure. So CheesyPizza and pizza and has topping some pizza. But here is that is the 4. Let's see. So it should be in this 4.21. So we should see that 4.21 is the equivalent. So this one and the defined class. This is the inferred. So we don't have our picture for this CheesyPizza as the primitive, the class. So this is what we are doing for this exercise. And then this, please read these chapters. Currently is by default is our primitive, means is the necessary condition. So let's make the synchronized reasoner. And then you can see there's nothing changed, just inherit some destroying the relation from pizza. So that is the destroying thing, the inferred thing. And then this what we will do is in the next exercise, we convert this from primitive class to defined class. See you next video.